Welcome back to the channel CAD Comrade, and in today's video we are going to learn about how to make an elevation easily right away from SketchUp to a nice walking drawing. So basically this is the elevation that we have, and we are going to make an elevation drawing for this. So if I in the general pattern that I go to AutoCAD and then draft the whole elevation would take me hours. So today I'm going to teach you how we can do this very simply and very easily just using ChatGPT. So basically I have uploaded the images of the elevation, and after that what we are going to do is we are going to give a prompt, and and for giving the prompt I will again get the dimensions back. So basically these are the dimensions of the elevation. We also have a curvature face right over here. So I am going to do all of this live on my YouTube channel. So basically let's get started with it. So all the images have been uploaded on chat gpt, and I'm going to write the prompt now. So basically writing the prompt is the most important part of it. So it can actually complete the task in just like one or two attempts. Of course it will take a few attempts, but we will make sure that how precise we write the prompt, so that makes us basically easy that we complete our working elevation drawing in a few steps. So let's get started with this. So this is how we elaborate the basically the whole image in that, and then we are going to give ChatGPT the prompt of this one. So it is actually analyzing it for now, and once it has completed the elevation, now we will tell him. So once it has analyzed the whole work, then we will tell him that now give me a drawing of it. So now it will take a few seconds to actually make the drawing. So ChatGPT has generated us a nice working drawing image for this. We will just have a quick check for it. So it is okay. Overall, the length seems fine. We will just use a manual calculator to just do it. So this is how simple it is to make a very nice and very easy drawing of this. So this is very easy. Now we'll just download this and we will. So that was it for the video. If you liked it, then share it with someone who may need it. So basically, this is how we simply make a nice working drawing in chat gpt in like just what minutes. What if we had started this cat drawing, how long would it has taken us, right? So what do you think about this? If you liked it, then share it with someone who may need it, and thank you.